Friends, in this video, I will discuss how we can make flashing railroad light using an E555 timer. Friends, I request you please watch this video till end and subscribe my channel for more videos. Friends, I will share the diagram of this circuit at the end of video. Friends, in this circuit, I use an E555 timer. This resistor is 2.2 mega ohm, second resistor is 10K, and this is capacitor of value 100 microfarad. This is model traffic signal. Friends, you can see circuit is completed. Now I will test this circuit by connecting power to the breadboard. Friends, you can see when I connect power supply to the breadboard, then red and green LEDs start flashing. Friends, this circuit can be used as model railway crossing. Friends, I hope you like this video. I request you please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.